When working on a kick drum, the first thing on the list is to set up a noise gate, as the kick mic would pick sound from the rest of the kit as well. In the ideal case, only the kick drum will be audible after gating. Moving on, it's time for the EQ. Here, we need to get rid of a specific frequency. Between 200 and 500 Hz, the kick drum has a paper-like sound which just makes it muffled. This frequency is different depending on the kick drum itself, and we need to locate it manually. After that's done, we would aim to cut it off entirely. Even after such a small adjustment, the kick starts to sound way better. We can also boost the frequencies around 50 or 60 Hz, or the entire low end. In order to add a little bit more punch, we can slightly boost the area above 3 kHz. After the EQ, it's time for our compressor. It would be important to note that here the release time needs to be short. Otherwise, the compression would lead to a decrease in the low end, the fundamental frequencies of a bass drum. In this example, we've added one more plugin after the compressor. Renaissance Bass by Waves. This plugin boosts the low frequencies even more. Let's check out the difference.